Are you grumpy? Where's your mama? Oh, see, that thing's gonna flash at me and I don't like it. I don't like it. Hi. Oh, okay, we'll do it another time. Okay. We'll do it another time. Oh. Okay. That was a change. Are you happy now? You just had to. Yeah. That's my boy. Oh, you're trying to get it. I'm impressed. See, I am 10 weeks old. Such a cute boy. Such a cute boy. He's a little confused. Hi. You gonna smile at me? You gonna smile at me? Yeah? See, I'm a good smiler. I'm a good smiler. Yeah. Yes, good job. I love you. I love you, my sweet boy.